I didn't see you there. Hey guys, welcome here to Oleum, including those witches and wizards watching this video. I'm Haven, and today we're going to be doing this DIY Harry Potter snake mare representing the House of Slytherin. So stay tuned for the end of this video because there will be a bonus craft, and also stay tuned for the month of July for more Harry Potter themed videos. Okay, let's go ahead and get on to this DIY. Here are the magical supplies that you need. Remove the frame from the mare. Zip tie the snake head to the frame so then you could start to hot glue. This is optional to cut the tongue. I'm using Gorilla Hot Glue to stick the snake down to the frame. This may take a while. You have to hot glue in sections, press, and hold. I used finger protectors to protect my fingers. Don't get messy. You will be able to notice the glue when you spray paint. I made a mistake. Try not to show the hot glue, because if you can see it, then when you spray paint it, you can see it. Now we could spray paint away. You may need help, so ask an adult to help. Make sure you do this outdoors because the paint is really strong. Here's the frame all painted. Now pop your mare back in and voila! An awesome magical mare from the wizarding world. You can find all these items at Dollar Tree. I decided to be extra and added one of my house crest stickers to this candle holder. This is an easy and affordable craft to show your house pride. If you did enjoy this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell because you'll be magically notified whenever I post a new video. And yeah, bye!